Let's look from low to medium energy generation from the perspective of wind. We've probably all seen wind turbines working, and effectively that's all they do. They are using the wind's energy to turn a turbine and generate electricity. However, the best application for the use of wind energy is in medium to large scale technologies. And really from a domestic and small business standpoint, it really has to be a community-based scheme to be of interest to you potentially. At the end of the day, the initial upfront costs of a wind turbine are so large that they have to be these community-based projects. Now, what is happening in the industry is there are companies coming to the market where they're offering a payback scheme to a community to install a large wind turbine within a vicinity of a small village or even small towns. So it's worth looking at the local information in your area as to whether these community schemes are starting to develop and maybe become involved. The pros about wind is that it's a long-term investment in the technology. Once they're up and running, they will last a long, long time. And it's a very well-developed technology, one of the best. Obviously, the downside of it is it can be very expensive initially, as I've said, so it has to be community-based. And there can be an environmental impact, obviously, from a visual side and a physical aspect where you get noise from the turbines. This is often the reason why you see there's a lot of investment in offshore, where it's minimizing the environmental impacts. They can also suffer damage as well from bird strikes, things like that. So can you use it on a local level? Yes, as part of a community scheme. So as I say, research locally and see if there's something near you available.